Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2026 911 Carrera 4S Cabriolet. This car is an ice gray metallic. It's over a night blue and chalk interior. Really nice light combination. The night blue that's in this car reminds me of what we used to call slate gray. This one's equipped with the sport exhaust. Got some really nice features inside that we'll see in just a moment. Just wanted to do a quick walk around the outside here. This being an S would normally have red calipers, but this one is outfitted with the option of painting them in black. So that's very subtle back there. Take a look inside. See this back area first. You can see the wind block is up. Really nice feature. Really makes this like a cocoon of up front here. If you're out on a chilly evening, it keeps it warm. If it's a hot day, you can kind of keep this area cooled off a little bit. So the new dash in 2025, it's fully digital. We can go through 6 different screens. This also has a heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, nice leather interior with the deviated stitching, BOSE stereo system. We do get both ventilation and heating for the seats. On the assistance systems up here, I want to point this out. We do have lane keep assist, lane departure warning. In addition to these other features, these can be turned on and off in the Porsche, which is kind of nice. Some cars, it's a bit of a pain to do that. Porsche makes it very simple. With Sport Chrono, which gives us this dial here on the steering wheel, and the stopwatch up on the dash, we get not only a Sport, but a Sport Plus mode, in addition to the wet mode. You can hear that Sport exhaust kicking in when we go into Sport or Sport Plus as well. So just a really nice example. If you're looking for a C4S 2026, this could be the one. Reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. 719-219-5016 is my direct number. That's 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.